Hey, welcome! Today I want to take you on a quick journey through something you probably use every day, but might not think much about: the computer keyboard. Let's rewind a little. The story of the keyboard actually starts way back in the 1800s, with the typewriter. Imagine rows of metal arms snapping ink onto paper. Fast forward, and those clunky keys morphed into the familiar rectangular slabs we plug into our computers today. The classic PC keyboard, that's basically the typewriter's great-great-grandkid, but it didn't stop there. These days, you'll find ultra-sleek wireless boards, clicky mechanical beasts, and even flexible roll-up keyboards that can fit in your backpack. So, how does pressing a key actually make a letter appear on your screen? Here's the magic. Every key is a tiny switch. When I tap a key, it completes a circuit, sending an electronic signal to my computer. The signal races through some clever electronics and BAM! The letter pops up on my document, or the shortcut kicks in. Now, not all keyboards are created equal. There are two main types you'll see out there: membrane and mechanical. Membrane keyboards use a thin, squishy layer, almost like pressing on a sandwich. They're quiet, cheap, and you'll find them on most laptops. Mechanical keyboards, on the other hand, use separate spring-loaded switches for each key. That's what gives them that satisfying sound, and why gamers and coders absolutely love them. If you're into speed, accuracy, or just the feel of typing, chances are you'll get hooked on mechanicals. But keyboards aren't just about letters and numbers. There's a whole universe packed onto that rectangle. Function keys help with shortcuts. Backlighting lets you type in the dark. Ergonomic designs keep your wrists happy during long study sessions or marathon coding sprints. Some keyboards even let you program your own shortcuts, turning your setup into a productivity powerhouse. You might think with voice assistants and touchscreens everywhere, the humble keyboard would fade away. But honestly, it's more essential than ever. Whether I'm writing an essay, gaming with friends, or building the next big app, the keyboard is my gateway to the digital world. So next time you tap out a message or hit that enter key, remember there's a whole history and a ton of engineering under your fingertips. And who knows? The next keyboard revolution might just start with you. Thanks for tuning in, and keep typing.